Hi guys, I'm here at my mom's house today. I wanted to share with you my 7 favorite decorate this not that small space tips that have guided me like the North Star with every small space I've ever lived in and decorated. These are tiny little fixes that can have a big impact in your space. That's why I wanted to share them with you today. Okay, my top 7 decorate this not that small space tips in now. Go! Okay, let's go with number 7. Decorate with furniture that has a posh and portable get up and go attitude, not bulky pieces that really only have one purpose. This coffee table separates and folds flat. Anytime that you need more space, you want to have that flexibility. And of course, vintage wins the day. My dining room table. It's also vintage and it can fold once or twice and can be pushed all the way to the wall for extra space. I just love it. Number 6. Definitely decorate with large-scale mirrors, not skimpy wall mirrors that shrink the look of a space. Not only do large mirrors magnify all of the light into a space, the size of a large mirror can play a trick on the eye and magnify the perception of space in a tight room. And what I like the best is that behind the mirror, you can hide things like a very ugly but utilitarian ladder, and no one would be the wiser. And number 5, decorate with leggy open back nightstands instead of clunky solid tables that sit squarely on the floor. Allowing the eye to gaze all the way to the back wall instead of stopping short at the front of these nightstands, the open back design eases that cooped up, cramped feeling. And coming in at number 4, shoes. Decorate and display your shoes on the wall and not in some dark closet. Even if you have only a small little corner, put your best pairs on display. Get them off the ground, and it's a great way to store shoes vertically using inexpensive polyurethane molding. Make sure and choose molding that has a deeper profile so that there's something to catch and hold your heel. Number 3. If there are only a few inches between the base of your bed and your dresser, decorate with furniture pulls that are recessed or lay flat, not protruding hardware and knobs that stick out an inch or more. So I was getting myself caught on the knobs that used to be on this bureau. They were sticking out, it would catch onto my sweaters, it would hurt my leg. And if you live in a small space, that little half of an inch to an inch that you're saving makes a big difference. Number 2, in a small kitchen or dining room, decorate with banquet seating, not full-size dining chairs. The banquet seating in my little dining room are actual IKEA bookshelves made into banquet benches, and they take up a lot less space, only about 16 inches deep. To accommodate a regular table and chairs, you need a depth of about 3 feet to allow the chairs to be able to pull out and for people to walk around the kitchen table. So banquet seating really is a space saver. And drum roll please. My number 1 decorate this not that tip, decorate with clear see-through home office accessories and decor and put them on wheels for portability, not be stuck with utilitarian, boxy, ugly file cabinets and chairs. So I took a clear magazine rack, added caster wheels and topped it off with a clear acrylic tray for all of my office supplies, and there you have it. A clear office caddy to go. I hope some of these tips help you live larger in your own little space. See you next time. Bye.